Best small car for 2025 to 2024 Honda Civic Type R. As the automotive world looks ahead to 2025, the 2024 Honda Civic Type R stands out as a leading contender in the small car category, blending high performance with stylish design and cutting-edge technology. Known for its track-ready prowess and everyday practicality, the Civic Type R continues to set benchmarks for what a compact car can achieve. At the heart of the 2024 Honda Civic Type R is a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that delivers a whopping 315 horsepower and 310 lb-ft of torque. This power is managed by a 6-speed manual transmission, staying true to the driving purist's love for manual gearshifts. The Type R's engine is paired with a rev-matching system that ensures smooth downshifts, and the car features a limited-slip differential for improved traction and handling. This combination allows the Civic Type R to deliver exhilarating acceleration and superb cornering capabilities, making it a standout in the performance compact segment. The 2024 Honda Civic Type R's exterior design is both aggressive and functional. It features a bold front fascia with large air intakes, a prominent rear wing, and a functional hood scoop, all designed to enhance aerodynamics and cooling. The car's wider stance and 20-inch alloy wheels, wrapped in high-performance tires, further underscore its track-ready appearance. This aggressive styling is not just for looks, it significantly contributes to the car's exceptional performance and handling. Inside, the Civic Type R offers a driver-focused cockpit that combines sporty elements with modern technology. The red-accented sports seats provide excellent support during spirited driving, while the aluminum shift knob and sports pedals enhance the driving experience. The interior is also equipped with advanced technology, including a 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, a premium audio system, and Honda's latest safety suite, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision mitigation braking. Practicality is not sacrificed in the pursuit of performance. The 2024 Civic Type R maintains the spaciousness and versatility of the standard Civic hatchback, offering ample cargo space and rear seat legroom. This makes it a viable option for those who need a daily driver that can also deliver an exhilarating performance on the weekends. Competing in the small car segment, the 2024 Honda Civic Type R faces rivals like the Volkswagen Golf R, Hyundai Veloster N, and Subaru WRX. Each brings its own strengths to the table, but the Civic Type R stands out with its blend of raw power, sharp handling, and everyday usability. In conclusion, the 2024 Honda Civic Type R is not just the best small car for 2025, it's a testament to Honda's commitment to performance, innovation, and practicality. For driving enthusiasts looking for a compact car that delivers on all fronts, the Civic Type R remains an unrivaled choice.